हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो टुडे आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इंडिया चाइना का जो स्टैंड ऑफ चल रहा है, जो सिचुएशन है लद्दाख में, वो वेरी टेंस सिचुएशन है, वेरी सीरियस सिचुएशंस है। सो उसका जो लेटेस्ट स्टेटस है एंड फर्दर प्रोग्रेस क्या हुआ है, उसके लिए हम लोग आज बातचीत करेंगे एवं जानेंगे। ठीक है। तो रिसेंटली चाइना हैज़ एक्यूज दैट इंडिया ऑफ स्पार्किंग फ्रेश skirmish in border dispute. So China, they are accusing that Indian Air Force Army, they are trying to entering in Chinese territory, and on the other hand Indian army is also saying that no, Indian army never crossed the Chinese Indian border, and they didn't enter Chinese territory. So now the situation is very serious, and let's see what the Chinese side has accused. So China accused that India's army of entering Chinese territory and making threats to its troops Monday on the Himalayan border in Ladakh, in a new sign of friction days after the country's defense minister agreed to diffuse tensions. So all of you know that both side defense minister China and India, they try to decrease the tensions, ongoing tensions. They met in Russia and had discussed and agreed, but situation is not improving in that way. So they have also further accused, China has also accused that Indian troops illegally crossed the line of actual control on the southern bank of Pankong Zhou and fired warning shots against patrolling Chinese forces. Senior Colonel Chang Su-li, a spokesperson for the Western Theater Command of the People's Liberation Army, said in a statement on Thursday, Chinese troops were forced to take countermeasures to stabilize the situation, Chang said without elaborating. So see, the acquisition, they're coming from Chinese side, and also Indian army, they're saying no, Chinese people only, Chinese PLA army only provoking the situation. They are entering into Indian territory. So let's see what the defense minister and foreign minister of India, they are trying to they are trying level best to resolve this issue. And in this case, India's foreign minister Subramanian Jaishankar described the situation along the border is very serious. Speaking at the Indian Express event in New Delhi on Monday evening, before the latest incident had been made public, he said, if peace and tranquility on the border is not a given, then it cannot be that the rest of the relationship continues on the same basis. So you can see the foreign minister of India also escalated this matter to China, and so Chinese Indian relations have soared over each other accents along the 3,488 kilometer 2,160-mile line of actual control. Multiple rounds of high-level military talks failed to end the months-long standoff. Both India and China have moved thousands of troops, tanks, artillery, guns, and fighter jets close to the border since their standoffs began in May. So you can see it is a war-like situation, and we must resolve this very serious issue, very serious situation at earliest possible to avoid any war-like situations. So that is the latest progress and standoff situations of India and China. So I thought of updating everyone. That's it for today. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe and support. This kind of informative video I'll again post gradually. Thank you. Thanks for watching.